Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be the final tutorial for our coffee shop application. So in the previous tutorial what we have done is that we have created a new activity which is the drinkactivity.java, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to actually implement the design of this activity. Now in the previous tutorial I have also added an additional message inside this intent. So the main intention behind including an additional message here was that if your application had some user login or user sign up, then what this element would be used for is that whenever you try to actually have the name of the user on each and every screen, so you could actually pass the name by using this extra message from one intent to other intent. But for the sake of this tutorial will not be dealing with this, so I'll just comment this intent. So what we are going to do here in this tutorial is we are going to design the final activity. So if we switch to this drinkactivity.java, as you could see, this is the Java class and I've cleaned it up. And what I did was that I've created a new image view right here. So this is basically going to hold the image of the product, and this thing right here is going to be the text view, which actually will display the name of the product, and this thing right here will actually display the description of the product. So let's go ahead and add an image to this image view. So if we select the image view, go to properties, and if we go to background, we just simply need to select a particular image for this. So we go to the project tab, and inside it we select the image for latte. So as you could see, the image appeared right over here. And now for the text view, what we could do is that instead of this small text view, we could have a large text. So let's say we drag and drop a large text over here, and this is going to be the description of it. And actually it is better if we have both of them as large text, as it would display the contents properly. So we drag a large text here and go to properties, go to text, and change the text to the product name, which is latte. And remember that we are creating this activity just for the sake of first option, and you could create the activities for the second and third option as well. And basically we are going to have a description right at the bottom. So we are going to drag one more large text view, and we are going to add in description in the text. So we type in here, let's say this is latte, and basically we are going to copy and paste it multiple number of times, but you could actually add a description over here. So if we just add it, it is going to display the description like this. And also, in order to make it look more attractive, what you could do is that you could actually select both of these, and we could change the color of this to, and we could actually change the color of this thing to white, complete white. Click OK, and we could change the background of this thing right here to black, so as to make it look more attractive. So we could select this color picker, and we could select this color right here. Click OK, and as you could see, now our application looks a bit attractive if we add styling to it. Now if you want, you could also change the color of this thing right here by changing the properties. So this is basically the layout which is ready with us. Now the next thing which we could do is that we could finally run our application so as to test it if this thing works. So let's go ahead and save the code, and if we run it on the emulator, so as you could see, our application is up and running on the emulator. And if we select the first option, drinks, it brings us to the list view activity, and when we select latte, it brings us to this page which has the name of the product and the description of the product along with the image. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope you guys understood how to create a simple coffee shop application. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.